What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here with Chili Dog Motorsports. We are in my driveway with the Grom Clone today, and we're going to show you how to do probably one of the hardest, most difficult modifications you can make to any Grom or Grom Clone. I'm not even going to waste time making a separate intro and all that stuff. We're just going to dive right into it to keep this video as short as possible. Thank you for watching. So let's get into it. First, you're going to want to remove your key from that ignition. I'm going to stick it in the side here. Get this seat off there. Then we're going to take our new flat seat, reinstall it the way the old seat came off. Put your key back in the ignition. Make sure it still starts after that. Now I know that was difficult, but we made it through it. I did it. You can do it. We all did it. I will say this seat is impressively less comfortable than the stock seat. It's not great. But hey, looks freaking sick, doesn't it? As always, thanks for sticking around and watching. We appreciate every single one of you watching these. So, thanks. Now get out of my driveway.